Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Chelsabelle and I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup for Mari Ohara from LoveLive Sunshine. First, we're going to be starting by putting on our wig cap. Then I'm going to start by priming the face with my Milk Hydro Primer. I really like this primer. It really acts like a super glue for my foundation and just seems to keep it on the best without me getting all greasy and gross. Then I go in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. NANI?! I just start by putting it on almost like war paint, and then I use my damp beauty blender to bounce and spread the foundation all over my face. Don't mind my bad blending, I didn't have my glasses on. Then I go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the second to lightest shade, I believe. And I just put a little under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead to just bring some more light to those areas. And then I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Powder foundation. And then I just lightly dust it all over where I put the concealer and everywhere else so I don't get oily. You don't want to put too much on, otherwise you get really cakey. Then I go in with the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette and I use Safe Word as my contour shade. It's the only thing I have and it seems to work the best, so I haven't found a reason to get something else. I just contour around my temples to help lift my face a bit more instead of going in on the contours of my cheeks. And then I go and try to chisel down my jawline and my chin a bit more. Also my nose, because I have a big nose. Then I go in with the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, and I get the lightest shade and just lightly dust over my eyelids. Then I use a medium shade as my transition shade. I just want to use real natural colors because idols don't really use a whole lot of heavy dark makeup. Then I go in with a slightly darker shade and do the outer corners. Nothing too dark or heavy, very natural. Then I use a lighter pink shade and just go over my eyelids, just to bring some color in. And then I go in with a sparkly pink and do the middle of my eyelids. Then I use a lighter shade to go into the inner corners. Then I use my Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous eyeliner, and I just try my hardest to match the shape of Mari's eyes with my eyeliner. For the bottom lash, I kind of just follow the natural socket of my eye. This was also the last time I used this eyeliner, because as you can see, it ran out. Then I use a flat brush and go in with that medium shade again. And then I'm just going to line that new fake lash line we made, because later we're going to fill that space in with white. Then I use the slightly darker shade just to kind of go in on the outer corner of it, make it look a little more natural. Then I use a darker brown and line the new false line we made. Then I go in with a white pencil liner. This is NYX Epic Wear liner stick. And we're going to fill in that space with the white, including our waterline. Then I go in with my pure My Little Pony palette, and I use the white shade, and I set the white liner. Now this is probably unnecessary, but it makes me feel better and it makes me feel like it looks more opaque. Then I go back in with the Jeffree and Morphe palette and I get that shimmer shade again and just kind of go on the lower inner corner of my eye. Then I go in with the Benefit Roller Lash and completely wreck my fucking eyelashes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
So, we're about to watch me try to put these fuckers back on.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Then I go in with my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil and I just fill in my brows because they're too thick and bushy to actually glue over and make fake brows. Then I just spoolie them out with the little spoolie that was with them. Then I go in with my old ass Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I go in with the second shade just to highlight my cheekbones. And then I highlight my nose and my eyebrows, my forehead. Then I go in with these, the Sailor Moon blush and really blush up my cheeks to get that cute, idly, blushy anime glow. Then I use the Sailor Moon Ultra Blotted Lip Matte Lipstick. Then I try to go for the ombre lollipop lipstick look. Then I use the Kush mascara, because I didn't think I had enough earlier. And I'm going to go back over my eyelashes and hope to God they do not come off again. Now, I was going to use contacts, but the contacts I had kept irritating my eyes, so I'm not going to use those. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching me today. If you liked what you saw, please give me a comment down below. Maybe even a subscribe if you want to see more. If there's anything you'd like to see, be sure to let me know down in the comments as well. Alright, okay, thanks, bye!